So today I find myself at the Nike clearance store in San Leandro, checking out what they got. It's a lot of finds actually there. Damn, hella fly nets. Purple quartz, little soccer looking shoes. Ooh, they got the gray ones. Alright, gray, a little blue. Sweet ones. Some one-offs like the Max 90. We got some Dunk Premiums. That big size for Nationals. $10 slides. Pink Huaraches. My size. Fours in grade school. Huh. Man, so much stuff. What is that? Let's see. What is this? No, it's a combination. Ooh. True Blue 3s. Alright. What the? Ooh, Wool 12s. Ooh, Pro Quicks. And wow. Grade school fly knits for $30. Pennies in grade school, but retail. Oh. KDs. Full top ones. Damn, so I made a quick visit to the Nike clearance store in San Leandro. It's a lot here, which there is 40% on Black Friday and Thanksgiving if the store's open. That was a sneak preview. Check it out. And for grade school, you get some great deals. Not much in my size. Thank you for tuning in to another quick JD channel video. I hope you enjoyed it. I was just giving you a brief preview before Black Friday, but that's a good teaser. It's gonna be like a zoo. And for those who've seen those horror videos, I don't know if it's somewhere you want to go, but hey, you save 40%. Those are steals.